बट मम्मी बोली नहीं, वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं और वो समझेंगे बात को. I was wrong, mummy was right. Maximum concept from mock tests were repeated in actual exam. Almost Nest covered every chapter that you had shared. Hi everyone, this is Vivek Dwivedi, 4th year integrated MSc in chemistry at NISA. In this video, I am going to tell 3 things. First is the NEST 2021 Shift 2 exam difficulty level comparing with Shift 1. Second is the feedbacks which our team got for about 3 months of hard work guiding more than 200 people in our various courses like NEST Rescue course, NEST Guidance course, mock test series, previous year paper solutions, etc. And number 3, I am going to make some very important announcement about IISER aptitude test mock test series. So stay tuned, I am going to tell these 3. NEST is over. Now whether you have done moderately well or you have done really bad in NEST exam, don't worry, I have already made video on IISER versus NISER, and you can clearly see that IISERs are almost same as NISER, and in fact there are much more seats in IISER. So I would suggest you not to get demotivated. You have another chance. God gave you another chance, to improve on yourself. So let me tell you about IAT, IISER aptitude test mock test series. We have a team of mentors who are guiding all the students. So as you can see in the poster, we are not just going to give you mock test, but those mock tests are going to be latest IAT pattern. All those mock tests are going to be online. You will be practicing online so that on the day of actual exam you feel really comfortable on computer. Also, we will give you 10 mock tests. Yes, apart from that, we are soon going to give you the solutions of those previous IISER aptitude test papers. We have already launched this mock test series in our Telegram channel, but I felt that there is a huge need since a lot of students are coming to me after giving NEST exam that they regret that they did not prepare. That's why I am here announcing it on my YouTube channel that we have already launched IISER aptitude test mock test series, and after that we are going to give you some materials which we think is necessary for you. Not too much material because not a lot of time is left. We just have about a month to prepare for it, and obviously you guys can reach out to us. If you want to register for that mock test series, you can join our Telegram channel. You will get all the details. You can personally message each of the mentor, and we are always there to guide you and help you. It is very structured, and you will get a lot of time between each of the mock test. For example, between each mock test there is at least gap of 3 days. That means you can analyze what you did in the mock test, you can revise your concept, and then improve in the next mock test. We also give you various strategies so that you can experiment in the mock test, which is the most important part. So feel free to register for this. You will get all the details in my Telegram channel. Comment below your doubts. The Shift 2 exam was almost same as Shift 1. Yes, you can see the 2 graphs. We have taken the feedback of students in my Telegram channel. We have more than 2,000 members in our Telegram group and Telegram channel. Separately 2,000 each, but more importantly we have done the survey and we found NEST 2021 Shift 1 and Shift 2 examinations were almost same in difficulty level. You can see the 2 graphs. For Shift 1, again the difficulty level, as students said, most of the students said, was about 7 to 8 out of 10, and for Shift 2 also it was 7 to 8 out of 10. So difficulty level was almost same. Again, in the subjects, bio was easy to moderate, chemistry was moderate, maths was easy to moderate, and physics was moderate to hard. So this was for both Shift 1 and Shift 2. So that is not going to affect a lot which shift you were having for NEST 2021. Now coming to more important point which I am really excited about is the feedbacks which we got from the students in Rescue course, NEST 2021 guidance course, mock test series, previous year paper solutions and courses, all those courses. We have been guiding more than 200 students in previous 3 months, and we are really happy to tell you that most of our students have done really well. You can see the graph here which tells what was their satisfaction level from our courses. I'm also going to read you some of the feedback. First of all, let me read the most interesting ones. So we have got a lot of messages from our students saying that, "Hi Bhaiya, thanks for mock test. Those mocks were really identical to actual paper." Then Vishal says, "I really appreciate it. Thank you so much Bhaiya for all of your and Vivek Bhaiya's efforts, my paper went really good. Then another person has said, sir, paper was moderate and was like the level of mocks. I gave my best. I just hope कुछ सही result आ जाए. Was able to do 2 questions of maths as well. You know, this person was PCB student, and as we had guided them especially for maths, so they were able to do good in maths as well. Now some more interesting comments. I literally thought आप लोग भी दूसरों की तरह होंगे जो कोर्स बेच के अपने काम में लग जाएंगे, बट मम्मी बोली नहीं, वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं और वो समझेंगे बात को. I was wrong, mummy was right. Let me read a few more. Rescue course helped me a lot as maximum concept from mock tests were repeated in actual exam. Oh, that's really awesome. It feels really good, you know, because NEST is very different and it's so hard to, you know, prepare you all for this. And mentors and guidance are outstanding, especially Vivek and Akhil sir. Those materials and tips helped me a lot. I realized I was in very bad condition to appear the exam after mock test, and even for some days I was bit depressed to study without negative thoughts. My exam today was obviously not the best, but also not bad. How much I have answered with confidence, it's all because of the guidance that I got from NEST rescue course. If I hadn't registered for it, I would have scored a 0 for my bad preparation throughout the year. And for everything, I would like to thank all the mentors for providing proper guidance for NEST exam, which is not available anywhere on internet but here. Thank you. You told in your video there will be 2 easy questions in each subject, and that's why I checked maths paper. I successfully answered 3 to 4 questions, and your selected chapters were phenomenal. Almost NEST covered every chapter that you had shared. So these were some of the feedbacks. A lot of them are saying that the paper which came was actually very similar to the mock test which we have been giving them, and they have solved more than 9-10 mock tests, right? And they have solved all the previous year papers and all. So it was really easy for the people in our course, you know, and they had prepared really well. Obviously it's all their hard work and all combined with our direction. These were few of the things which I wanted to share with you because I'm really happy. And so with that, all the best for your IIT exam. Bye bye.